Hey everyone, John from Trizity Traveling, and my long lost, or mostly lost, Sony RX0-ii has finally arrived. And this will be my first ever unboxing video, so why not get started? This Sony RX0-ii 4K Cybershot, fairly standard packaging. Nothing too earth-shattering on that. The accessories included the AC adapter, which is cool, rechargeable battery pack, micro USB wrist strap, and a memory card protector. Wow, look at that. Let's see, what else does it got? Zeiss optics or Zeiss lens, a whole bunch of stuff, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You use Sony memory sticks. Those old Sony memory sticks that I've got, I might be able to actually use. Interesting. It's got a 1-inch sensor, 15.3 megapixel stills. 1-inch sensor, 15.3 megapixels. Fixed 24mm f4.0. It looks like it'll do up to 1/32 thousandths of a second shutter. Steady shot built in. Got a microphone jack. Multi-camera control. Waterproof to 10 meters or 33 feet. And shockproof from 2 meters, which works out to 6.5 feet. Now this guy did take a little crunch here. I don't know if you can see that. A little crunchy. So hopefully it's not damaged inside. This is the camera that has been touring the United States before arriving at my door today. It was ordered, I believe, on the 11th of April. And as I'm recording this, it is May 2nd. So let's open her up and see what we got inside. If you should need assistance with your Sony product, we're here to help. Yeah. I don't know if anybody ever does that. All right, a bunch of manuals. Warranty card. Hey, you can get a Sony credit card, looks like. Movie edit add-on. That could be interesting. Reference guide. Digital still camera startup guide. And then looks like the same version in... Will that be French? I'm guessing that's French. I don't speak French, so I can't say for sure. If you know or care, that... Oh, yep, there we go. French. And probably Spanish in there. All right. Looks like the camera itself is hidden underneath more cardboard. Oh, look at that. All right. So there is the battery, the NPBJ1. What's this? I have no idea what that thing is. Some sort of piece of plastic. I have no idea what that is. We'll set that aside for now. The camera itself looks like... What do we got here? Shockproof, some more marketing stuff. Not quite sure why they put that on there, but probably this is just a little travel bag. Get the camera itself out. Oh, look, it's so cute. Very nice. Oh, my phone's going off. Well, there's the little camera itself. Kind of cool. Let's see what else we got. And looks like the USB charger. Yep, USB charger right there. And I'm assuming, oh, there it is. The wrist strap right there. And then the actual charging cable itself. So that appears to be the contents of the box. Nothing else in there. All right, so we've got the camera itself. The manuals. And the camera has a threaded bottom for a tripod. I still have to figure out what this thing is. That's like a viewfinder. That must be for that somehow or another. I'll figure that out. There's the cord. The little teeny battery. charger, the wrist strap, and I think that's it. So the camera itself, if you haven't seen much about the Sony RX0-ii, let me zoom in here a little bit. Little camera, again, threaded on the bottom for a tripod. Looks like this is to open it up. That's where the battery would go, right there. And it's interesting. I kind of expected the body to be kind of plasticky feeling. It's pretty rugged. It's metal, which is kind of pleasant surprise, I would say. This would be where the memory card goes. Got the headphone jack. Looks like a mini HDMI and a multiport. I'm guessing that's what those are. The gasket around it to make it waterproof. Close that up. And one of the cool things that I'm looking forward to using this for, I plan on trying out my kind of vlogging setup a little bit, maybe. It's got a little flip, the screen flips up, so when you're holding it, you can see the screen as well. So you can see what you're filming. We'll see if it's any better quality than a cell phone. And, of course, time will tell on that. There's the camera. The back plate does articulate. It's kind of cool. Very flexible. And I said, feels very sturdy. Let's put the battery in it. I'm assuming match the arrow on the battery to the arrow in there. Snap in. Very satisfying. One of these has got to be the power button. That one got to be the power button. Oh, I turned it off. Let's turn this guy on. There we go. Wow, cool. English. I can enter my date and time. I'll do that later. I've heard a little bit that the menu system is a little convoluted. I'm going to leave it on the default for now. Let's get my time zone. I'm in Denver. Daylight saving time is on. I have several Sony cameras. Menu system doesn't actually seem that different so far. I'm going to leave the date. I'll set that later. Stay tuned in the future for content created with my new RX0-ii. I'm headed to Atlanta at the end of May. I will be using it on the travels to and from. I'll be flying on American Airlines, so we'll see how that goes. I'll be using this for some of the in-seat footage. Right after that, we'll be headed to Vegas, and we'll be playing in the water with this guy at the pools. See how that goes. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, my first unboxing experience, and I will be catching you on the other side. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you would. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to post them in the comment section, and I do respond to just about every comment I get. I will be posting a blog entry on my webpage at tricitytraveling.com. I will link that also in the description so you can get to that. Thanks, everyone, and as always, happy travels.